The Delivery Reports area provides real-time updates for all send statuses. This can include if a send has been opened, claimed, shipped, and more. Navigating this area is super simple. You can search for any send you created by individual or department, filter by date range, and even download that as a report. You can sort between your active and past sends, and additionally, any sends that you have scheduled but they haven't quite sent yet. You will be able to see the following information in the report: the order number, which is a unique identifier for tracking, the creator, the person who initiated the send, a sender, the individual responsible for sending. This is typically the same as the creator unless you're using the send on behalf function. The receiver, the recipient of the send, a business reason, the purpose of the send as documented, internal notes, any additional details attached to the send, and an expiration date. If applicable, how much time remains before the send expires. If you click the View Summary button, you'll be able to see all of the same information plus the original message that was sent. If the send hasn't been claimed, you can also adjust the business reasons, the shipping configuration, the expiration date, and what products are even in that send for the user to claim.